Let's be honest. Blender's new hair curve system is incredibly powerful, but the technical barrier to entry can feel like hitting a brick wall. That is where HairBrick Pro comes in. Developed by Louisard, this add-on is the bridge that allows artists of any skill level to create professional grooming results without needing a degree in geometry nodes. It uses a stack-based approach to modifiers. You get a clean, intuitive UI where you can manage multiple hair systems, control child hair interpolation, and adjust radius globally. It even features selection sets, so you can mask specific areas for advanced control. One of the coolest features is the ability to instance any object. You can turn your hair curves into 3D shapes or flat planes instantly, which is a game changer for creating stylized hair cards or complex feathers. If you're using this with character creators like MPFB, remember to bake your shape keys first to ensure the hair follows the mesh perfectly. It is a $40 investment that turns hours of technical frustration into a fun, artistic experience. If you're ready to master Blender's hair system, the link is right below.